Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off overdraft protection in Wells Fargo. Here, you will find the step-by-step process for turning off the overdraft protection. So, without wasting much time, let's dive right in. Here you can find that how you can remove overdraft protection through online banking. For this, you need to sign on to your online banking account, then call a phone banker at 1-800-2 Wells. The number is 1-800-869-3557. Talk with a branch banker or make an appointment, then talk with them about turn off the overdraft protection for your account. Now, there is another option to debit card overdraft service removal. Remove debit card overdraft service. Sign on to online banking, then call a phone banker at 1-800-2 Wells 1-800-869-3557. Then talk with a branch banker or visit a Wells Fargo ATM. The process is mostly similar, just in this case it's about the debit card and it's another is the online. On the both method, you need to contact with a banker of Wells Fargo to turn off the overdraft protection for your Wells Fargo account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.